Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations on your server, such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called Epic Guard. This plugin protects your server from bots and more. This plugin does a total of 8 anti-bot checks to protect your server. Some of the other cool features it has is that it allows you to allow or block specific countries or cities. It enables automatic whitelisting so real players won't be affected during a bot attack. An attack status is displayed on the action bar. You can filter unwanted console messages, and you can also force users to ping the server or add it to their server list. Hopping into this, be sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. Once installed, head into the config files. To get there, head to your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, click Config Files, and find the Epic Guard config.yml file. Once there, it will pull up a list of different options you can change for your server's needs. There are a lot of settings you can configure, but here are some of the most useful. Country check. This allows you to filter countries your players can connect from. Here, we will change it from never checking to always checking. Below, you can set what countries are allowed or blocked. You can also blacklist certain cities. This means if someone joins from a city you blacklist, the player will automatically be blacklisted from your server. Here, you can enable or disable a proxy or VPN check. This will check to see if a player is connecting from a proxy or VPN. After configuring all of your settings, head into your Minecraft server. Once there, to enable all of your configurations, type the command \guard reload. Next, we will go over the endgame commands and what they do. To see a list of all commands, type the command \guard. To toggle anti-bot notifications, type the command \guard notifications. To analyze a certain player's stats, type the command \guard analyze and their player name. You can also whitelist or blacklist specified addresses by typing the command \guard whitelist or blacklist and the address. If you have any more questions, we will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can easily protect your server from bots using the Epic Guard plugin. Thanks for watching.